Got another one, man. Got a 14 Toyota Corolla. We got an EVAP problem. These are the codes. Got a P0441, a P0445, incorrect purge flow, and a small or system leak. So I had to run a smoke test to figure this one out. I got my smoke test. Without it, I would have never found it. And I'm gonna show you what I found. This is where we're entering the smoke, and I just let it sit for a minute. Look up under the car, check the gas cap. Got a little smoke coming from the gas cap too, right? But that's a new gas cap. I'm gonna refer brand new or OE, because that might not do it right there. But I'm gonna get up under here. Got smoke. Damn. That's what a fuel pump is. And just to verify, I saw it because I thought it was coming from up top, which it is. And I looked up under here, but I saw that. That's how I knew that's what it was. Yes, sir.